Ma'am, I present to you the bottle of wine, the Beer Republic Red Wine. It's a blend of various red wine grapes with a hint of purple mint. It is a rich blend of fruit flavors balanced with mature tannins. Long and ample in the mouth, soft yet lively. Contains 750 ml with 13% alcohol. And it is originated in Spain. So would you like me to open the bottle for you, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Enjoy your drink, ma'am.